Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I have some very heavy pallets in the back of the truck that I need to disassemble so I can get them out of the back of the truck and get them, then I'll be able to use them later as parts for the corn sheller. But first, I have to get them disassembled. First thing I want to do get this flag off. I always want to have a flag on the back of an extended piece coming out of the back of your truck. Michigan law. Also, you don't want to have somebody running into the load in the back of your truck just because they didn't see it. Why am I wearing gloves, you might ask? Well, I already have a sliver driven into my little finger so far that it actually healed over it, and I didn't realize it was in there for about a week and a half. Now I'm going to have to go have it cut out if I want to get it removed. A lot easier to have a pair of gloves on before you need it than trying to figure out how to get the thing taken care of afterwards. Well, that was quite a bit of work, but I got them all done. Now I just have to put them out in the tractor shed and get them out of the way. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.